Symbiom, our mycorrhiza, your healthy and beautiful plants naturally. The Symbiom company is unique in its attempt to isolate native fungi from their target environment. It has one of the largest privately owned collections of mycorrhizal fungi from different climates and soil types. The company is able to formulate custom-made products for its clients in all climatic zones and cultivate the crop on the majority of soil types. The production and manufacturing of mycorrhizal products requires a high level of knowledge and experience. Our specialists have devoted many years to the research of mycorrhizal cultures and to the quality of our products. It is the outstanding quality control that has been one of the main trademarks of products bearing the Symbiom logo, a mark that is becoming world-renowned as a manufacturer of natural products. The arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi in our products are actually being grown on the roots of these plants. In the beginning, the substrate is inoculated with spores and mycelium of 6 specific species of mycorrhizal fungi. The whole process takes place in a carefully controlled environment to prevent contamination and the possibility of compromising the quality of our mycorrhiza. Plants that have a naturally large root system are planted into the inoculated substrate. As these plants establish themselves, their roots will provide a perfect environment for the mycorrhiza to grow on, naturally creating a fine net of fibers that will eventually permeate the whole substrate during the growing season. During the growing season, our specialists regularly conduct a series of thorough checks to determine the status of the root colonization by the mycorrhizal fungi. During the check, the roots are cleaned, dyed and examined under a microscope in order to confirm the presence of mycorrhiza. At the end of the season, our staff performs a check to ensure that sporulation occurred. During this process, the amount of active mycorrhizal spores within the substrate is measured. In the end, these spores will determine the quality of the entire batch. The more active spores the substrate contains, the higher the quality of the end product. This process prevents premature harvesting and the possibility of losing the entire lot. Our company is one of the few in the world that ensures such a high level of quality control. This has resulted in worldwide recognition of the Symbiom brand and the superior quality of our line of products. During the actual harvest, the top part of the plant is discarded. The roots are separated from the substrate and carefully dried. The dried roots are cut into small particles and mixed into the final product. Just like the previous phases of production, the final preparation of the end product depends on the high level of quality control. This guarantees the optimal content of mycorrhizal spores and nutrients in the final product. The beneficial fungi are contained in both components that are being used, the growing substrate as well as the root particles themselves. This mix is enriched by adding additional ingredients to create the most effective end product possible, and after a proper mixing in a special machine, the final product is ready for packaging and shipping. All Symbiom products are known for their high quality, natural ingredients and maximum effectiveness. Symbiom, learning from nature.